Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about colorful's all-in-one gaming PC. So friend, the G1 Plus is an all-in-one gaming PC with AMD Radeon or Ryzen 6000 hardware. And friend, the new version is now offered alongside Core 12900H, 12700H and 12500H and RTX 3060 based version. The new system is equipped with Ryzen 9 6900HX and Radeon RX 6850M XT graphics. These are good specifications that are often found on expensive gaming laptop made with AMD hardware, and the 8-core Gen 3 Plus processor is of HX variant, which means higher TDP than 45 watt. And friend, the graphics are based on Navi 22 GPU with 2560 stream processors, and gamers will have access to 12 GB or GDDR6 memory across a 192-bit memory bus. From a technical standpoint, performance should be comparable to that of the desktop Radeon RX 6700 XT, but limited to TGPU of 165 watt, which is one of the configuration of these mobile graphics. And friend, the system has a 27-inch 4K screen with a 60Hz refresh rate, so it's possible that the graphics won't be strong enough to give that much performance. The IO systems, on the other hand, are more common in corporate settings than these internet cafes. This is probably a nice system to have if you need a sleeper gaming ring, and the system is available in various configurations with memory ranging from 16 GB to 32 GB and even 64 GB configuration. You can opt for 1 TB or 2 TB storage option, but those should be upgradable anyway. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.